Oh my gosh. Alright, so Papa's FaceTiming his mom right now. Papa's telling his mom about this experience. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, whoa, what the? Who's this guy, Lexi?
This is my new boyfriend.
Wait, really?
No, not actually. But Ben is going to prank.
So this is how this prank is going to go. We're going to go pick Ben up, and they're going to be in the backseat flirting with each other, and we're going to get Ben's reaction.
How did you even get her to do this?
Well, Lexi actually lost a bet earlier today. All right, Lexi, I have a bet for you. If I win, that means you have to help me prank Ben. So I bet that I will make you say black. What are the colors of these flowers? What are the colors of the American flag? There you go. You said it. You said it. You said blue.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
We are outside of Ben's right now. I'm about to text him that we're outside.
Karate
Are you guys ready?
Ready.
All right. Start with the cue, guys. All right.
This could have been way easier for us.
Yeah, you did. So we don't know where they are, but we're waiting. No, hold up. Wait, I see them. Look at them. They're sitting on the fountain.
Oh my gosh, he is not around there.
Oh my gosh, you know what? That's it. Full out of room for him. I'm trying to propose just in case. He's trying to make a move on my sister. I have to get in there with the broom. Just for the broom, yeah. I just hate seeing this. I could literally be right there. You know, I could literally come up behind the
Oh no.
Do you need some tea? Here.
Where are they?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, dude.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Oh. Oh, water.
He literally does not want to be here.
You tell me how he hates like shopping.
He hates shopping. Wait, where are they going? Oh, they're going to Cheesecake Factory.
You get a table right next to them?
I doubt it. I asked the lady if like we can get a table right next to there. I think we're like 2 tables back. We really don't want to be like too close, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so we got a seat kind of near them, pretty close to them.
Oh, damn.
I don't like this. I don't like it one bit. Stop. They're gonna catch us. Lexi just got up. I think she went to the bathroom. Look it up. Look it up. He's still letting out all the parts he's been holding in. No, Ben.
You mess with Ryan, he gets you back. Oh, wait. What?
They literally tried to do it. I can't just happen. What part of the rest we talk about is you just can't stop. A piece of broccoli. Oh my god.